Right, as you see, we're going to just now undo this end of the prop. You're going to have to use spanners because you're not going to get a ratchet on it, so it's going to be slow. Right, are these the same as these? Well, I'm hoping so, if they are. Yeah, they're the same, that'll do. This is going to be a slow old job. Right, yeah, with a bit of hiccup, cannot take one of the prop bolts out because it's hitting thing. Oh, we'll get round it. Well, yeah, it'll just have to stay there, won't it?
Do you do any driving now, Steve? Or?
Oh, where's Rich with the coffee? Has he gone to Brazil to make it?
He was chatting to some guy. He went to make it, but when he took a picture of the solo and then he started walking back this way and then he's just gone.
Yeah. Jesus, getting wet. Right. To get the top bolts off the prop, you're going to have to remove the shield that goes round, which is held on by 1, 2, 3 13mm bolts. So coming off yet. Let's get into the bloody bolts of pain in the arse.
Yeah, I mean, well, we put them on.
Right, that should be the last bolt, and move the shield out the way. Leave it laying there, that's not going to be in the way, so.
I don't know where to keep it, I've got all this stuff. Where do you keep yours?
Right. Oops. Right, that now should give me access to the last few. We'll take that out. No, my luck, it'll drop on my head. That means the 4 bolts left. Right. Well, this has got to be the hardest part about the job. It's just undoing the props. So I've got 3 more bolts to do after this one. Then that'll be the prop out. Then we'll undo the engine mountings, and hopefully then we'll lift the gearbox out. We'll get the other one on yet.
But the problem is that I could also go with it because what winding do you do? Because the problem is they've took the
well, this has got to be the hardest part about the job. It's just undoing the props. So I've got 3 more bolts to do after this one. Then that'll be the prop out. Then we'll undo the engine mountings, and hopefully then we'll lift the gearbox out. We'll get the other one on yet.
But the problem is that I could also go with it because what winding do you do? Because the problem is they've took
That's the last prop bolt out. Now we're going to try and separate the prop.
Let's get this bolt out.
Right.
Here, Steve, there's a other bolt. Let's give it a bit of a twizzle and it'll come out.
Oh, right, okay.
Right. There's only this. Oh, what turn? Here, Steve, there's only one.
Yeah, and I've got one more down the bottom.
Yeah, Steve.
Right.
Where's the other one?
Right down the bottom.
Right.
It's yeah. And that goes up against the nut, so don't know if you'll get that one out or not. No, I reckon these nuts and bolts.
Push it back, Steve. That bolt. Push it back a bit from it.
It's going right onto the nut. I don't think you're.
Yeah.
Unless you get another bit of twist on it. Can you twist the prop round anymore?
That's what I'm just trying to do.
Because it's only a fraction.
Yeah.
Right. Which pry bolt? Right, so now this is, well, we'll see if we can get it to come apart. Yeah, I think it's going to need a battering.
Yeah, there's a chisel.
Ah, right, yeah, that'll do the job.
Coming, Steve.
No, it's getting into it is the trouble. 'Cause you've got no room under you.
No.
Bloody.
So what size these big casting bolts?
Yeah, see where you move, you've got a bloody framework.